everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, my darling people, today's topic now about Oni of Ife. Oni of Ife. So now the topic I want to talk about today because of what they happen for a palace now, because of wetin his wife they do now, because my country people, I never see where person go marry. He go come carry him mama. Mama go dey stay with them for house. Like him mama go just dey see everything where they happen. My people, that kind of thing good. Like how una reason that kind of matter? Because according to wetin they say the apple for the palace now, they say na him mama, as in the wife mama, Olori of Ife, the queen, say na him mama na they cause the problem now. Because him mama if they follow them, they stay house. I can't dey surprise her. Where mama go for come they stay a pikin house we marry. As in, that kind of thing, it not make sense for me because peace not go there that house. And you anything where they happen, a mama must they see everything, For me, she for not do that, she for not do one like that. If for allow the woman, the woman for they come they visit them, like you come they visit them because now as mama they there, all their sister, their brothers, and so all the pack they come there. So it get it be for me, because when our daughter marry big person now, and I'll just come they abuse the teen, just they go there all the time, they stay there. So it get it be. So now then they get problem for their marriage, and they say they don't even take with the don't they get problem for their marriage, but they just about they cover that time when I say she dey dance, she dey do party, they say they just settle that time. So they come by just they do that kind of party, every time now they quarrel. And what they cause the quarrel, they say na a mama, and they always they cause the problem, because they say when I don't see where husband, anything he buy for a pikin, now go see buy for a mama. Whether he come they marry a mama joiner, me I not come no, because anything when he buy for a pikin, he must buy for a mama. Anything he buy for, I never seen that kind of thing before. They say if the man not buy for a mama, mama go the vest. The mama go the vest. Like seriously, like the thing they surprise me. So he must anything he buy for a pikin, he go see buy for mama. Hey, my people, this one na ogbonge story. Ogbonge story, like seriously. Now I say now wow. So she don't bring court paper, can't give your husband and say she not they marry again. Say she not they marry again. So now the matter we just dey grant now be this one. So say she not they marry again because they talk to a mama. So does it mean say now your mama now they marry your husband? Me I not understand. Say because they talk to a mama. Because as your mother stay there, see finish your con the day. See finish your con the day. So many things where your man not supposed to talk, put you go the talk, put. And this thing I just now husband and wife something. You understand? So they even say, now so she they like to they buy expensive things every time. Now so party, enjoyment, grooving, like going go buy expensive clothes, buy expensive things. And that's they buy, and so they buy for a mama too, anything he buy, he must buy for a mama, and that's so they carry a mama go everywhere, So that kind of thing, if you know what made a talk to your mama, if you not let your mama come they stay with you for house, if you not allow, maybe your mama come they stay with you for house, because as they stay with you now, she must they prognose for so many things, she must they talk for so many things. You understand? So this kind of thing where this our beautiful Olori of Ife now want do now good thing Yoruba people. Not be good thing for her to come leave the man now. Not be good thing. It get a bit because the news now don't full everywhere now. She don't go bring paper for court now. Say she not they marry again. Say she not they marry again. So like the thing like they surprised me. This one I just a really lesson to people. It be say they go marry big people, they'll carry their mama, go they stay with them. It get it be. Because if you don't want me to talk to your mama, Like my mama, she like respect that. She not go fit do that kind of thing. Say people that you even tell her second stay there, she not go stay. Oh. She not go one stay because all those kind they come to use one kind of item, they look you, you know. Even if you even see their pictures, anything she wear, then your mama go wear. Oh. They be like twins. Anything the man buy for the Olori buy for his wife. Now they buy for his mama too. He must buy for his mama. Anything he buy for his wife, his mama must get for his side too. You know? Like the thing, the guy he be. You understand? The guy he be for mama to go to stay with a pikin for your husband house. The guy he be. Nah. Say no, they marry again now. Say he don't go bring paper for court now. Say he no, they marry again. Say he no, they marry again. You understand? So the thing like it just the thing guy he be really. Now they don't go bring court paper now. Say he don't go bring court paper now. Say no, they marry again. Like people. Like seriously. She now so party, so down, so groovy that she just did. She know the evil reason I want to even give pikin to the man. I want to even give the hair apparent to the throat. You know the evil border. You wanna adjust to the groove, you see, because she too young now. She see young and a young fine girl. Since young, you never for now, you never even the reason I want to even born pikin now. You know, because it never really like even need them. Even the person where even introduce them now to the Ooni of Ife now they even regret now. See why I even introduce them for her because she they look herself say she see young, like she see beautiful. She never need all those things for now. You know, they say if the man they even they talk about pikin, she go they say no, she never need them. Oh. She never need them now because she see young, she see beautiful. She wants to enjoy herself. So now what will they talk about with this one? Suppose you know of if yourself a married girl will be say mature now. They okay. Maybe for that they bought for him since. But this one now I say now groovy they have to rush. She go see young guys we go put her for house. He say no, you know what again now. Because she see young. She see look beautiful. So my people, what is this Olori of Ife? Now what she do now na good thing, my people. More na reason and more. If na good thing, which you want to leave the mark, so you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. And leave your comments anything you think about the video. Bye.